Career opportunities in AI. When we talk about the best jobs in the future, a few industries have clearly shown a rapid growth using AI. 2019 report from Gartner shows that enterprise applications for AI have grown 270% in 4 years, where the demand is much more than the supply of qualified job candidates. Industries impacted by the AI revolution: cybersecurity, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, transportation, construction, supply chain management, business intelligence, information technology. Let us understand some of the most in-demand jobs in the field of AI. Machine learning engineer. The growth in this field has been 244% between 2015 and 2019. It is expected to grow further in the coming years. Machine learning engineers are skilled programmers who develop machines and systems that can learn and apply knowledge without precise direction from a human. Necessary skills. A machine learning engineer requires to be exceptionally good at statistics, deep learning, dynamic programming, neural network architectures, natural language processing, audio and video processing, reinforcement learning, advanced signal processing techniques, and the optimization of machine learning algorithms. Robotics engineer. The next growing career in AI is that of robotics engineer with 128% growth. These engineers research, design, develop or test robotic applications. Their job also includes to review or approve designs, calculate cost estimates depending upon the workplace they are associated with. Usually the workplace includes offices, manufacturing plants or laboratories. Necessary skills. A robotics engineer requires to be good at creative ideas, programming mindset, science, mathematics or applied mathematics, electronics, psychology, and cognition. Computer vision engineer. Digital landscape is changing faster than anything. Computer vision engineer jobs have shown 116% growth between 2015 and 2019. Some areas of work include face recognition, camera calibration, computer vision, and surveillance. The workplace may be related to medicine, defense, manufacturing, and various types of monitoring, etc. Necessary skills. A computer vision engineer is expected to have mastery over image generation and segmentation, classification of images, object detection and tracking moving object over time, optical character recognition, face detection and recognition. Data scientist. This field has shown immense growth over the years. A data scientist is responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting huge amount of data. A data scientist's role is a combination of several traditional technical roles like mathematician, computer professional, and statistician. Necessary skills. Data scientists are expected to be skilled in programming languages like Python, R, SQL, etc., and some more skills like machine learning techniques, data visualization and reporting, statistical analysis and maths, risk analysis, critical thinking. There are some more roles like research scientist, data mining analyst, business intelligence developer, AI data analyst, product engineer, etc. Aerospace engineer. With the advancement of AI, the field of space exploration is expanding rapidly. Aerospace engineers are required to perform the task of designing and controlling space vehicles and robots. Space agencies like NASA use AI to help them plan and schedule space shuttle maintenance. Necessary skills. Aerospace engineers are required to be good at applied mathematics, astrophysics, machine learning, electronics.